ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಸೀಸನ್ 1 ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ 98.72% ಪಡೆದಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಕೂಡ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ ಈ ಮಗು? ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಂದಾರ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ನಡೀರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಂದಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
So good afternoon everyone. I'm Mandar V Dalvi. And in this journey, I've scored 617 out of 625, and I've got the state rank 9th by scoring 617. And in this journey, Parikshe channel helped me a lot. I think Parikshe acted as a bridge to climb the huge mountain of SSLC board examinations. Some students, they feel like scoring good in board examinations is very difficult. But when you have platforms like Parikshe, it becomes very easy. And in this journey, I think Parikshe played a major role. What marks I've scored, I think 90% of that is because of Parikshe's content and their one-shot videos. The Parikshe YouTube channel. On the YouTube channel, you can find many one-shot videos which are available for all the 6 subjects. And let me tell you that these one-shot videos are very important for you and they're going to be very helpful for you. If you don't believe in me, just study from Pariksha for a month and solve any question from the board examination. You will automatically understand. And Pariksha recently launched their app, the Pariksha app. And in the app, there were many questions and PYQs. It was a collection of PYQs and many questions. I just practiced them. And in the exam, I noticed that similar questions appeared and I was able to tackle them because I had tackled the PYQs. So
Right.
this is all about my journey, ma'am. And Pariksha played a major role in it.
Thank you so much, Mandar. We are glad that we could help you this way, and we could be a major part of your journey in this journey of yours. So Mandar, you were mentioning about one-shot videos being really
Yes.
helpful, right? So I mean, can you tell all the current batch name is Parikshe Prachandaru. So can you tell all of them how you use these one-shot videos? For example, there's a video that comes up. What are the things you did while you were watching the video and how did you utilize the videos? Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give you one example. When I watched the one-shot videos of SST Social Science, Adarsh sir explained the concept. He explained, he gave all the information. What I did was that I wrote all the information which was on the slide and what Adarsh sir explained in my language, that is in simple English. And I prepared the notes of SST in the same way I had prepared short notes for English and Kannada and Hindi as well. So to all the students who are now in 10th, I would suggest you that you make your own notes in maths, science, in SST, and some short summaries for languages. Because these summaries and these short notes will be of a very great help for you during your exams.
Yes. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಮಂದಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡೋವಾಗ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮಗದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಂದಾರ್ ಅವರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 617 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 625 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಟಿಪ್, ಮಂದಾರ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಗರಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ very, very crucial to our
Yes.
journey, right? So, I mean, I know that there were a lot of exams that came in, right? So, Mandar, for you to reach that score of magic score or like the best score of 617 out of 625, what are the different practices you did to maintain discipline in your life, right? Because discipline is something that's really important, right? And
Yes.
since we are at the beginning of the year, what would you suggest your juniors to adapt? ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ?
Okay, so I would suggest the students who are now in 10th to be consistent. To score good marks in exam, you don't need to study for 6-7 hours. If you start from the day one, I think studying 3 hours a day is very sufficient. and the exams which your school which you appear in your school are very important. And also try solving as many examples as you can. Some say that, ma'am, I had many friends who were from other boards too, like they were from CBSE boards. So what I used to do is that I used to take their question papers, as CBSE follows application based concepts.
Yeah.
So I used to solve them, and this made my concept very strong in maths and science. So I would request all the students who are now in 10th to solve application based questions. I know that the board will not ask such type of questions, but it will increase your way of thinking and your level of thinking. So when you appear such questions in your exam, you can easily tackle it.